So, which is the area from which we can frequently harvest skin grafts? It is the scalp. So, why skin grafts can be repeatedly, frequently harvested from the scalp at lesser intervals? To know this, we need to understand how the donor area of the skin graft heals. So, we know that the donor site heals by reepithelialization. The reepithelialization is mainly by the epithelial cells which are primarily supplied by the sweat glands and by the hair follicles, that is the keratinocyte stem cells in the hair follicles. So in scalp there is rapid reepithelialization because scalp has got a dense population of hair follicles which are rich in keratinocyte stem cells. So these follicles are a source for reepithelialization leading to faster healing of the donor site. In addition, scalp has also got a thicker dermis as compared to some other donor sites. So this thicker dermis provides high quality grafts and also leads to faster reepithelialization. Scalp also has got a rich blood supply with the supratrochlear, supraoccipital, temporal, occipital vessels. That also leads to faster epithelialization. So these all reasons make scalp a good donor site for the skin graft. In addition to it, we should take due care that over harvesting from the scalp can also lead to alopecia in the hair bearing areas. So due care must be taken accordingly.